Guys, and as always, you're alive and blessed. Welcome to now how to trade liquidity on a bull market. Guys, as always, we don't really care. At this point, we don't really care if it's a bull market or a bearish market. Because why? We're profiting either way. We don't care because we understand what price is going to do. Market structure, market shift, price going to retrace. Order block, price going to retrace. Supply zone, price going to retrace. Demand zone, liquidity there. Supply zone, liquidity there. Market shift, liquidity there. Breakout structure, liquidity there. So guys, as you can see here, we had a little market shift here. And as always, even though guys, this is the bull market, market is gonna always retrace. So we had a little market shift there. Like I said, if this candlestick right here was supposed to do its job and disrespect all of this and continue to be a downtrend, this candlestick here, guys, would have continued, would have full all of this wick up with the candlestick, disrespect this, and the previous candlestick would have continued going down. But this supply zone, this demand zone was so strong, a lot of buyers step into the market and created a liquidity. See, guys, for the liquidity is a V shape. So see how the price came down and boom, 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 lead to a what? Breakout structure. And we know breakout structure, price is gonna retrace. So as always, so all my scalpers out there, all we had to do was put our short above there, and we would have ride it down to there. To be honest with you, even though price maybe get there, like I said, you guys better take profit when you're in profit, because you guys see, even though price didn't came back here, price stop here, and vice versa. So even though you take this trade for a short, you wanted price to came here, price didn't, and it reversed in your guys direction. So like I said, even though price is on a bullish market, you can trade both ends. Now here is where vice versa. Now you see here, and all the, I'm telling you guys in every video, if price was to disrespect this, it would have continued going down. Price did it here. You see how price disrespected this and formed a wick, right? And it came back down. So even though this liquidity sweep happened, guys, all that really matters, price disrespected it. From price disrespected it, it's gonna continue going in that direction. So wait for the breakout structure to happen, right? So you guys see here how the breakout structure happened. Price is gonna always retrace, because end of the day, this is our bullish, this is the bear bullish market. So even though we caught an early swing for a bear, this is still a bullish market. So even though, because why we catch a swing, because I taught you guys, every time price make a breakout structure or a market shift, it's gonna retrace before continue going in the direction. So even though price came back down and make the little pullback, that is where we enter the trade. And guys, always make sure now when price, because even though we had a breakout structure here and price made a pullback, this can make sure the pullback, guys, never make sure the pullback never break the previous low. Because if the pullback break the previous low, that means we have another breakout structure. And even though it's another breakout structure, we still would have entered for a call. Because why? Like I said, breakout structure, price would have retraced to the breakout structure but continue coming down for a bearish. But in this scenario, what price did? Price respected this previous low and created a high right here, a previous low here. So we would have entered there, put our stop loss. Me personally, I would put my stop loss below here. Even though you could put your stop loss here, this liquidity could have come and shit on all you guys and whop all of this. So guys, like I said, don't be stingy with the stop loss, guys. Extend your guys stop loss. A lot of traders just set and forget on their stop loss, guys. Do not be stingy with your stop loss, guys. So like I said, liquidity is not pretty much a trading course by itself. It's an implement of supply and demand. Guys, as always, do not rush into a trade before not understanding. Make sure you draw up your breakout structure. The breakout structure and the market structure, it's a key for the liquidity, because price is going to always be above the breakout structure, some liquidity there, because it's going to always reverse, guys. Every time the market is synced to this. Just understand these two concepts and you guys understand liquidity, to be honest with you, because it's going to always break off to the demand zone, to the supply zone, or the demand zone. Just learn, understand market shift, price retrace, breakout structure, price retrace. And if the retrace is a V shape, as you guys can see, it retraced the breakout structure, retrace liquidity on the downtrend, market shift, retrace, V shape, liquidity. But like I said, now make sure price don't break the demand zone or it don't break. See, in this scenario, how it break it, as long as price break it, it's still an uptrend. Price is gonna, so I'm pretty sure here is an extreme demand zone. Matter of fact, let's go look for this extreme demand zone. Let's see something. So since price disrespected that, we're gonna go back in time. We're gonna go back in time to find this extreme demand zone and where was this located. So we're gonna come back all the way here. See, look at that, right there. See ya, guys, right there was the extreme demand zone back in time, but this was our regular supply zone here, and this was the extreme. So now we come back in time, we come back in the present moment, and you guys see here how price did not disrespected it. It respected it here and continue coming back down. On vice versa, on the regular supply zone, price disrespected it by breaking past it. See how price break past it? That means it's going to make a little pullback but continue going up. Vice versa, on this scenario, price respected it and came back down. And that's when you guys could have even entered a short here, even though it's a bullish market. Guys, it's all, matter of fact, let me put it for you guys so you guys could have see it. You guys could have put a short right here, and you guys could have put your short above it and stop loss right there. Or maybe, who really knows, we could put the stop loss, take your profit, because it's a bullish market. So wherever you want to take your put your stop loss for a bearish, it's up to you guys. But as always, I hope this video guys find you guys impactful and helpful. See you guys in the final video. That's where we can take a live trade and put everything together. Until next time, stay blessed and mind your business.